Hello, welcome to Yes You Can channel. If your stereo system / touchscreen system is not working for your Peugeot, it could be the Peugeot 2008, 308, 208, any of them, etc. Any Mark 1 model for your car, then stay tuned and I will show you what to do to rectify this issue. My screen was not turning on just like yours, but I managed to get it working by doing this. Follow this. This is what happened before. Now after, I will show you what to do to fix this problem. I'm going to show you now by turning it on that it actually works. As you can see, it powers on. But like I said before, it did not power on. So this is what you need to do, guys. To fix this problem, you need to find and locate your fuse. So find your fuse box and locate the head unit fuse. Remove it for 10 seconds and reinsert it back into the fuse box. This will do a hard reset of your head unit and it will work. It should work. Try this few times if you're not successful first time. So somewhere in here is your fuse box. You will find it in the glove department. I hope this video has helped you. You can try also holding the menu button and turn on your ignition to see if the head unit comes on.